Hello guys, I'm Pronko. I'm not in my den, I'm near my den with my friend Romeo. Romeo has been working as a pipe restorer at Smoking Pipes for
7 years.
7 years. So he came to help me with a pipe, a bowl that is oval shaped, which you can't ream it with a normal reamer. So in this case, Romeo came with the solution of a reaming knife. I think that's how it's called.
Yes.
It's you can. I think you can still find it on SmokingPipes.com. Uh, and here he will just show us how you can ream with this knife balls that are, I don't know, oval or just too small for a normal reamer. So let's get to it, okay? Okay, so we got the knife, we got the pipe, the bowl. So how do we take the cake off?
Okay, so on these little opera bowls, and on any bowls, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you first how to do this one, and you can use the same technique on a normal bowl. So what you want to do is have your knife straight in the bowl.
Okay.
Straight in the bowl. That's how you start. Get a firm grip on it, and then you turn. See, I'm turning the bowl, and I'm trying to keep the knife straight and steady.
So it's not like the reamer, which you have to, rotate the reamer.
Nope.
Instead of the bowl.
Nope. So you're going with the bowl against the reamer. Otherwise, you're just going to carve into the chamber. So we go back up a little bit. Now this thing has to be sharp. Otherwise, you're just going to.
How many years does it? You can use it like for how many years?
Well, before you have to sharpen it again, I guess you can do a couple of hundred bowls or so.
Even forgot to take some paper towels.
When you start hearing squeaking, means that you got to the wood. You hear crunching, that's cake. And I'm going to use the tip now to scrape down in there.
It wasn't much cake.
No, there wasn't a whole lot of cake. That's about it. Would you give me a normal bowl that's kind of
normal bowl?
Okay. This is how we do a normal bowl. So same idea. Normal bowl goes faster. You just go in there. This cake is pretty fresh and sticky. Same idea. Hold the knife, move the bowl, and you can go back and forth. You can feel it. Right here where you get the most cake, you can go at an angle like that and pull up. You'll notice if you use this a lot, it'll start getting dull right here, and then it'll be sharper.
It looks much more complicated than with a normal reamer, so...
Yeah, but it will protect your bowl. It's pretty much foolproof. You can't really gouge with this unless you're moving the hand. That's the idea of moving the bowl. And you can control the pressure.
You would recommend this type of knife for reaming what type of bowls? Like
you can ream anything with it. You can ream anything with it. It's really good because of the tip. It's really good for conical bowls.
Yeah, it's gone quite quick. Let me see if I can put some light. Yeah, it's gone. It's almost to the wood. So without that knife, I couldn't just take that cake off. So
Well, you
I
could.
was
You could put
lucky.
some sandpaper on a stick and have at this thing for about 45 minutes and it'll go away. But
And keep keep doing that until your hand gets numb.
right, right, right,
That was
right.
great. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Well, that was it. It looked simple and quite fast. So I was lucky to have Romeo here with me and the knife, uh, without which I couldn't ream this oval ball. So I don't know. I hope this video was useful to you, and maybe in the future we'll have Romeo again to help us with. We'll see. I don't know. So till next time, take care and happy puffing.
Happy buffing.